Hi guys, so when you sign up on BulkTexter as a new user, this is what you see. Here your phone or your laptop. I would advise you start with your phone so that you can download the app. When you download on your phone, you see a menu bar on your phone. Let me open from the phone. Let me show you how it looks like on the phone. This is how it looks like on the phone. So you click on this place. This is how it looks like on the phone. When you open on the phone. So you click on this place and you come to device. When you come to device, you click on add device. Then this is the app. Just download it. Once you click on it, it's definitely going to download on your phone. So after you've downloaded the app, open the app, you see an option for scan. They scan this place. Once you scan, the app will be connected successfully. Now I'm going to scan now and I'll come back again. Now I have scanned now. Now I want to refresh. Definitely going to show my device here. I've scanned from my phone. I've downloaded the app on my Android phone and I've scanned with what I showed you just earlier. So once you scan, you reload, you go back and reload, then you can see my device has been added, so you have no problem. So the SIM on your phone will be selected to send the campaign. Now let me send a test message. And if I want to send the campaign, you come to send message. This is where you had your contacts. This is where you send your campaign. You come to send campaign. Let's say test SMS. I want to send SMS. Ignore this one. SIM card. What SIM? I'm selecting SIM 1. Selecting SIM 1. Yeah, I want to enter manually. If you have a contact list, you can select the contact list. You can import all your contact here. So you bring out the list here and enter the name of the list you want to send the campaign to. But now let me send it to my number. +234. It's my number, so I'll just send it. Let me send this is a test. Okay, I've sent that. Ignore this, leave this. You can, it's optional. I want to prioritize this, like I want it to go immediately. Prioritize this. If you want to schedule, maybe you want it to send after a day, maybe next day, you're scheduling for the next day. It's fine. If you want this thing to repeat itself on so day, you can do that. Ignore the rest. Leave this like that. Today is what? Select campaign of this. Today is Thursday. So let's unmark this. The rest. Today is Thursday. Now let's send. You can still send here. You can always contact via this WhatsApp button if you have any issue. I'll be there to guide you. So click on send. Hold on while it loads, you get successful message here. It goes successfully. Hold on while it loads. So you check the app as well. The app will be telling you message sent, will be processing, the message sent. Once it's gone, that is it. So that's how you run campaign. So you can run many unlimited numbers of campaign based on your limits. Now note that you need the pricing. You need to set up the pricing. The free version is just 10 credits, 10 SMS. So if you need to upgrade, can go to 25 or 5,000 or 50,000, which is unlimited using for a month. Anyone you decide. And if you want to own it lifetime without any limit, can also reach out via this WhatsApp and let us know your request. If you have any questions, the details is on here. You can contact here. You can contact via this number or email. And the number I sent just now, you see it in campaigns. Or the number you send, you see it in campaigns. I'll do a separate video of how you can add contacts, how you can create templates, how you can blacklist number, so many things. You can see this is completed. This is number message I sent now. It has been completed. So that is how you run SMS campaign with bulktexter.com.ng. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.